The risk indicator enables conversations with colleagues about the best way to manage and strategise a business into the future. Individual attitudes to risk are often hidden, with management teams tending to forge onwards in the bid to achieve targets. Yet behind the scenes, risk is impacting on business decisions every day. Risk profiling measures the natural tendency of people to take risks. By precisely scoring and measuring risk profiles, you can work out how individuals operate in teams. For example, following an intensive period of research, modelling and due diligence, the board of Company A unanimously agreed to acquire another company. This process should have typically taken around 6 months. However, 4 years later and they have still not purchased. The reason behind this reticence is a board made up of individuals with low-risk profiles who don't want to see their bank balance drop below £2 million. With a different profile mix or awareness of their risk profiles, this team would in all likelihood have made several acquisitions within that time frame and accelerated business growth.